Tripura is a state with bountiful nature at its peak and marvel, laced with pure water bodies and fragrant air. An agrarian state, Tripura stands as a tourism rarity where historic and heritage sites provide an amazing feeling of times immemorial to spiritual bliss. Tripura is a unique state that blends both tribal and Bengali cultures with various religions spreading over 8 districts with the smart capital city of Agartala. The state holds an important arrangement of legal services, especially for the backward regions that are economically poor and underexposed to their rights. Article 39A of the Constitution of India provides for free legal aid to the poor and weaker sections of the society to ensure that opportunities for securing justice are not denied to any citizen by reason of economic or other disabilities. To substantiate it, Legal Services Authorities Act 1987 was passed, which is one of the most important social welfare legislations passed by the Indian Parliament after independence. At the national level, National Legal Services Authority (Tslsa) has been formed, and at the state level, Tripura State Legal Services Authority (Tslsa) has been constituted. The office of Tslsa was established on 1st July 1998 at Agartala.
नमस्ते। त्रिपुरा स्टेट लीगल सर्विसेज अथॉरिटी, ये जो इंस्टीट्यूशन है, इसे चलाने में त्रिपुरा सरकार का फंड्स और उनका सहायता से नेशनल लीगल सर्विसेज अथॉरिटी, उनका दिया हुआ फंड सहायता से, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का सहायता से त्रिपुरा का नागरिक के लिए न्याय दिलाने के लिए आपके खातिर है। वृद्ध हो, महिला हो, बालिक हो, नाबालिग हो, सबको यहाँ पे हम उचित न्याय सेवा मिलेगा। जिस तरीके से एक्सीडेंट केसेस का क्लेम मिलेगा इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से हम दिलवाने का, या फैमिली डिस्प्यूट है, आपस में हस्बैंड और वाइफ का रिलेशन में कोई झगड़ा है, या कोई प्रॉपर्टी डिस्प्यूट है, या कोई चेक डिसऑनर केसेस है, आपस में कोर्ट में लड़ने से जो आप समझता है कि बहुत पैसा लगेगा, बहुत टाइम लगेगा, इसके लिए हम आपको बिना किसी खर्चा का लोक अदालत में आपका केस लेकर, और आपको हमारा वकील लोगों को भी देगा जो आपको फ्री में सेवा करता है। हम गांव में जहां पे भी जिसे जरूरीमंद मेडिकल एड है, या एजुकेशन है, या ड्रग का कोई प्रॉब्लम है, इसके सिलसिले में चाइल्ड मैरिजेस है, हम अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम भी कंडक्ट करता है। लीगल सर्विसेज अथॉरिटी के माध्यम से लोक अदालत में हमने हजारों केसेस डिसाइड किया है, और पूरा देश में हमें गर्व के साथ कह सकता है कि त्रिपुरा स्टेट इज नंबर 1 इन द कंट्री, जिसके लिए गवर्नमेंट को, सुप्रीम कोर्ट को, नालसा को, हमारे चीफ जस्टिस साहब को और सीएम साहब को, हम सबको हमारे तरफ से, लीगल सर्विसेज अथॉरिटी के तरफ से, मैं जस्टिस अमरनाथ गौड़, एग्जीक्यूटिव चेयरमैन त्रिपुरा लीगल सर्विसेज अथॉरिटी, मैं सबको सादर प्रणाम करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Social awareness programs are conducted that educate people on the importance of various welfare legislations as well as the fundamental rights of the citizens. Tslsa also initiates campaigns on awareness programs on 3 new criminal laws, mediation process, coordinating with lawyers, judiciary, media and other stakeholders. A few important points to note here. Tslsa has conducted more than 1800 legal awareness programs in the last 1 year on various laws, and more than 3 lakh people attended these programs. Tslsa caters to the needy, making them aware of free legal consultation through setting up of ADR, Alternative Dispute Resolution Centers. ADR centers include mediation, arbitration and neutral evaluation. The Legal Aid Defense Council System is a scheme of Tslsa with an object to provide qualitative and competent legal services in criminal matters to all eligible persons from the early stages of a criminal case till the appeal stage. The next segment of Tslsa is the District Legal Services Authority. DLSA serves at the grassroots level to provide free legal support and welfare accordingly by coordinating the activities of the Subdivisional Legal Services Committee (SDLSC) and other legal services in the district. DLSA organizes Lok Adalats within the districts and performs any other functions as directed by the state authority regulations. A total of 5 Lok Adalats have been conducted over the past 9 months, thereby reducing the pendency of cases by 69.93% of the district judiciary. Permanent Lok Adalats are established and are functional in all the 8 districts of Tripura. The next segment is the Subdivisional Legal Services Authority is functional in 14 subdivisions of the state. Within the specified regulations designed by the State Legal Services Authority, serving 8 districts of Tripura with a panel of lawyers appointed in the services through authority. TSLSA has established legal aid clinics across the 8 districts of Tripura, catering to remote villages and the capital city of Agartala as well. Various public domain places like police stations, jails, juvenile homes, colleges, health centers, panchayat offices, SDM offices, hospitals and courts have a PLV paralegal volunteer appointed who will in turn educate people on reaching Legal Services Authority for justice, process and benefits. There are presently 194 clinics and 189 PLVs serving the society. TSLSA established a legal aid center in the tribal township of Khumlang near Agartala. Serving the tribal issues and litigations through the volunteer appointed at the center. The High Court complex at Agartala also supports legal aid, where e-Seva Kendras have been set up under the e-Courts project. All the district courts of Tripura have set up e-Seva Kendras and TSLSA has deputed PLVs in all the centers. TSLSA has formulated a mechanism for voluntary services of reaching unclaimed dead bodies, rescuing flood-affected victims, rescuing snake and dog-bitten victims in the remote areas. TSLSA has set up 2 ADR centers in West Tripura and Gomati districts to enable remote villagers to reach out for justice. TSLSA has closed more than 40 cases last year through the mediation process established in all the districts of Tripura and also at High Court premises of Agartala. A total of 9 mediation centers are presently operational in the state. TLSA, on being reported suo motu, takes steps to facilitate victims under the state's victim compensation scheme, and in considerable number of instances, this facility has been provided. Recently, TSLSA, in coordination with DLSA West, has organized a stall at the Karchi Utsav at Agartala as part of awareness generation activity among citizens.
Namaskar. Tripura State Legal Services Authority বা রাজ্য আইন সেবা কর্তৃপক্ষ এই নামটির সঙ্গে আপনারা অনেকেই পরিচিত আছেন। আমাদের এই অফিসটি মূলত জনগণের আইনি পরিষেবা প্রদানের কাজ করে থাকে। সকলের জন্য ন্যায় বিচার, এটাই আমাদের মূল মন্ত্র। আমরা মূলত সমাজের সর্বস্তরের জনগণের জন্য আইনি সচেতনতা বৃদ্ধি এবং আইনের নিয়ম মেনে বিনামূল্যে আইনি পরিষেবা প্রদানের কাজ করে থাকি। আপনারা আমাদের যে হেল্পলাইন নম্বরটি রয়েছে 15100 তাতে সরাসরি ফোন করে আইনি পরিষেবার সুযোগ নিতে পারে। সমাজের সকল অংশের জনগণের আইনি সচেতনতা বৃদ্ধির মাধ্যমে আইনি অধিকার সুরক্ষিত করতে আমাদের এই আইন সেবা কর্তৃপক্ষ বদ্ধপরিকর। নমস্কার।
Here are a few amongst the hordes of beneficiaries who attained justice through TSLSA.
Wow, presidente samudaya inrings. It's so good what it is to do with them.
আমি যেই কারণে আসছি এনো আমার নাম খুশি গোস্বামী।
정화 군이 사건 선정하고 강호 보도했던
TSLSA rededicates its commitment towards nation building by serving smiles through justice to all. Dharmo rakshati rakshitaha. Jai Hind.